Today we have Pete the cat's trip to the supermarket. Pete the cat's trip to the supermarket by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete and Bob are hungry after a big day of fun at the park. Dad, can we have a snack? Bob asks. Dad checks the fridge. Dad checks the pantry. Dad checks the secret snack nook. We need to buy groceries, says Dad. Dad starts to make a list. We need milk and eggs and fish and chicken. I want raspberries, says Bob. I want apples, says Pete. This is the name of their food market. It's Meow Food Supermarket. Pete, Bob, and Dad make a long list and take it to the supermarket. Oh no! The wind blows the list out of Dad's hands. It's cool, says Pete. I remember the list. I do too, says Bob. You see the list going away in the wind? That's why when Miss Jo makes a list for what she needs from the grocery store, she puts it on notes on her iPhone so it can't blow away. First, they stop in aisle 10. The sign says dairy. We need milk, says Pete. And cheese, says Bob's, the stinky kind. Next, they go to aisle 9. Yum, says Dad. I love bacon. Don't forget the chicken, says Pete. They almost pass aisle 8 when Pete remembers eggs. Regular or jumbo, asks Pete. Jumbo, says Dad. Groovy, says Pete. Oh, so can we just talk about the different kind of eggs they have at their supermarket? Frog eggs, chicken eggs, ostrich eggs, dragon eggs, and jumbo dinosaur eggs. Bob can't pick between spaghetti and macaroni in aisle 7. How about bow ties, asks Dad. Awesome, says Bob. There are a lot of choices. Aisle 6 smells fruity. Remember the apple, says Pete. Remember the raspberries, say Bob. Do you see in their cart they have jumbo dinosaur eggs? Let's see what they have here for fruit. Oranges, apples, pears, raspberries, cherries, avocados, and lemon. No limes? Boys and girls from my class know Miss Joan likes lime with her sparkling water. Not lemons, just limes. In aisle 5, Dad has a hot dog. Yummy! And it says hot dogs, try one. Oh, it's like eating at Costco. In aisle 4, Pete takes a cupcake. Sweet. This says cupcakes, free samples. Dad lets Pete and Bob choose a treat in aisle 3. Pete picks crackers shaped like fish. Bob picks popcorn. I think they're like goldfish. It's cold in aisle 2. Dad puts mango popsicles in the cart. Let's see what they have here. Chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, strawberry ice cream, chocolate ice cream, banana popsicles, vanilla ice cream, strawberry ice cream, mango popsicles, and look, they're jumbo. You know, I'm thinking this is not the best place to put the jumbo dinosaur eggs, right on the edge. I think they could fall over. Aisle 1 has sunflowers, tulips, and blue daisies. These are beautiful flowers. Pete and Bob picked tulips for Grandma. She'll love them, says Dad. I think we got everything except the fish, says Dad, but their car is packed with yummy treats. Next time. The end. Did you like this story?